Hi guys, welcome back to Freehand Friday. It's Sam from Be Crafty here and it's my turn. So I thought we would have a go at drawing bubbles. So I'm going to use a black piece of card or paper, black anything, you know, whichever paper it is that you've got in your black journal maybe, or just a black piece of card that you've got. Those spares, those little bits in your fodder box, and I'm going to use these pens. You'll need a white pen and then other coloured pens. This is just one of my favourite sets that I have always got to hand, so this is the one that I'm going to use. We need the white pen and then a variant of other, and do you know what, let's just take them all out. Let's just take them all out, and then whatever I decide is whatever I decide. Let's have them all there. Naturally they'll all go back in the box later because I can't not do that. So white pen, this is your first one, and then draw around something circular that you have, anything, you know, coaster, whatever. So we'll put that one in the middle. So it's just, and then we'll use the inner circle because that seems, the inner circle, that sounded far more threatening than I meant. Okay, so we have circles. And that is the base for your bubble. So, next bit, put the lid back on the pen, otherwise Beverly will come and tell me off. Next, we're going to go with some pink. Not the bright pink, like a fuchsia type pink. And on sort of the top, sort of between 10 and 12, if you're using it as a clock. So, just rough lines, and we'll do that on all of them, and then we've got a set of bubbles. So just somewhere between 10 and 12, and then move over to the other side and go between sort of 2 and 4. I've never thought about it in a clock way before, but that seems to show where I mean, if you know what I mean. So next, blue. So what this is doing is it's giving, if you burn bubbles, if you're using like the soap mixture, if you like, and then half over that, so you're not covering up that colour, you're just giving it a highlight, if you like, but with the blue. And what this is doing, it's representative of the, effectively the oil feeling you get from bubbles. You know, the sort of the iridescent shine on them. And already it's starting to come together. Then we're going to go with some, this colour. I can't, like a teal almost. And again, we're not going to cover up those colours. We're just going to sort of accentuate them a little. Just noticed I didn't put any blue on that one over there. And then you're at the point where you can start going back and thinking, well, I need a bit more pink just in there, and just in there. And this is where it starts to become your own version of, you know. And actually, if we did nothing else to them, they look really cool, just like that. But let's just go a little bit more. So, bubbles have reflections because they're shiny. So over between sort of 6 and 8 over here, we're going to put almost a mirror block. So back with our white. It's like a little sort of elongated triangle, and then leave a space and then just put another little line. Then opposite that, so up here, we're going to do the same but smaller, and then leave that space and a little bit of a line. So we'll repeat the process. The great thing about doing bubbles is There's no sort of right and wrong in terms of no two are the same. A bit like snowflakes, which I feel is topical at the moment because most of the country has had snow disrupting their life in some way or another. So as we look at those, they're really, really cool. But again, we can still just do that, just that little bit more. And it's just like, say, creating that reflection vibe. So these are the final touches. This is where it gets good. Okay? When I say it gets good, they're good at this point if you stop now. So with these reflections, that one needs to be bigger, I think. Let's make it a bit bigger. So now, just some little dots and then a long line there. And it's a little, almost a little star. So that's sort of the apex of the bubble, if you like. I need to do 5. I can't be having a even number. Dearie me. And there you go. Bubbles. And the thing about this is you can use these on anything. You can use them in your journal, for card making. And young Beverly once made a stamp. There's no angry way to say bubbles. You try it. Have a great Friday, guys. Take care, and I will see you really soon. Bye.